Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys can tell in the title, again as always, I'm going to be doing a holiday look using the Rawbeautykristi palette with Colourpop at Forest Site. And the reason I am doing this is because there's going to be a little giveaway today with this palette. I'm going to tell you guys why I'm doing a giveaway. Well, someone in my comment in my last video when I did a tutorial using this when I first got it told me that I didn't have the shade Let It Rain, which is this shade right here. I'm going to post a picture that I got from my video so you guys can see, and I was so confused. I was like, oh my god, that is so true, because I didn't even realize it. I was so excited that I didn't even notice that the palette didn't have that shade color, and I was so confused and like, you know, I just didn't know what to do. So at first I was like, I am not going to send them an email, you know. I'm like, it's fine. My sister was like, I'll trade you the palette. So me and my sister traded the palette, but I decided, I'm like, you know what, I'm going to email them just to let them know that that situation happened. So just in case they launch on December 11th, when they're going to relaunch again with the restock, they're going to just make sure that doesn't happen. And of course they offered to send me an extra palette, so they sent me a new palette, and I was like, you know what, I don't need two palettes. So I decided to do a video so I can do a giveaway for you guys. So the rules are going to be at the end of the video, so just in case you guys want it, so make sure you guys stick to the end so I can tell you guys the rules. But first, I am going to be creating a holiday look using the Rawbeautykristi and Colourpop palette. I am so happy because I love this palette, and I was like, you know what, this palette needs to be like a holiday look, and it has like the golds and the greens, and I thought it was gonna be like a really good idea. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna try my best to do it as easiest as I can so you guys can follow along, and maybe you guys want to recreate it, you guys can. We're gonna go ahead and start with the look, but before I start, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel and want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to know when I post another video. I want to say thank you guys so much for those who already subscribed. I can't believe I hit 4,000 subscribers. That is a lot for me. Trust me, it is a lot. So I just want to say thank you, especially the ones that are always watching my videos and comment. I'm always responding, and I know who you guys are, so thank you guys so much. So let's just go ahead and get started with this video. Also, you guys, if you guys want to see how I did my hair like this, I used this specific tool, and I am thinking of doing a tutorial on it. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are liking the hair. I think it's pretty cool. This is like, I did this yesterday and I slept with it, and my hair still looks like this. Like, it's kind of cool. So I can't wait to show you guys that. I am going to be filming a video using that. So let's go ahead and just start this. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with some concealer, which I always forget to get it. I always have it here and I always forget. For my concealer, I am going to be using the Urban Decay Stay Naked concealer. That's the one that I use for under my eyes. So I don't mind using this as a base. And I actually don't set it. I just use a brush and I just brush it over like that. And it can just kind of be nice and blend it out. So what did you guys do for Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about it. I know I ended up staying home. It was just literally me, my mom, my sister, my boyfriend, and my sister's boyfriend or baby daddy, you know. So it was just them. It was just us like this year. Normally I always go to my boyfriend and sister's house, but that wasn't possible this year, so we ended up just staying home. It was really nice to just kind of sit in the house and just do it. We never really do Thanksgiving in my house. We're always kind of like somewhere else, but this year was different. So let me know what you guys did. Did you guys stay home? Did you guys go to somebody else's house? Let me know what you guys did and what you guys ate. I ate tamales. I love me some tamales. Tamales are so good. So good. So I am going to go ahead and grab the shade Puffball, which is this shade right here. I'm going to go in with that shade, and I'm going to be kind of adding that all over the crease and just kind of blending that in. I use this shade for Thanksgiving, and oh my god, you guys, I love my look for Thanksgiving. I use this palette as well, and I thought it was such a good color. I ended up just using that shade with the Super Shock Shadow, the shade Campfire, all over my lid, and it was really good. So that's why I was like, you know what, I'm gonna create a holiday look with this since obviously Christmas is coming. So I was like, I'm just gonna create this look, just kind of blending that all over. It's really pigmented, as you guys can see. It's like super pigmented. So I'm gonna kind of grab another brush here and kind of clean it off so it doesn't look too harsh. Just make sure you guys get a clean brush. So I'm just gonna grab that and make sure that I blend that out. The brush that I am using, it is the e.l.f. and J Kissa, and this is in J2, and I like it because I feel like it grabs the products really, really good, and it just kind of blends very, very nicely, which I like a lot. So if you guys have not checked it out, I don't know if they still have it. I recommend them, you guys. e.l.f. has really amazing products too, and they're so affordable. I'm also going to get the shade Puffball, which is that brown like contour looking color. It's super nice. I'm going to also bring that down to the lower lash line and make sure that I just kind of blend it all over. It's going to be really easy, you guys, super easy. So hopefully you guys are able to create it. If you guys do, let me know. And tag me on Instagram. I want to actually see these looks. I actually like seeing when people create my looks because I try to do them as easy as I can, but also fun, you know? Now I'm grabbing this brush, which is like a little bit more denser brush. It's really dirty, so don't judge it. Ah! Oh my god, I dropped my mirror. I dropped my mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the shade Fiddlehead, which is this shade right here, and it's like an olive green. And I'm going to use that to kind of add it a little bit more in the crease and the outer corner right here. Just kind of adding it this side of the eye. Just kind of tapping it in there. And just making it more dense and more green, you know, so we can get that hint of green. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing there. And then kind of winging it out and making sure that I blend that to the lower lash line as well. Do you guys see how it's making it a little bit more darker and like more muddy, which is kind of what I want. Just a little bit like that so we can get that like holiday vibe, green vibes. And it's kind of creating like a smoky eye as well. Now with my finger, I am going to be going in with West Coast, this shade right here. And it's like a beautiful, beautiful gold shimmer shade. And we're going to grab this. We're going to just apply it to the lid. You guys see that? Like, oh my god, that gold is so beautiful. We're just going to add this all over the lid and kind of blend that out on the edges with the brush. Do you guys see how beautiful that looks? It's just stunning. Now with the same brush that I had gotten Fiddlehead with, we're going to grab Emerald City, which is this shade right here. And we're going to be adding that to the outer corner and just kind of tapping it over the shade West Coast. And we're going to kind of just tap that on top here so that green emerald color could kind of stand out more, especially now that we have that yellow in there. It's just going to make it look very Christmassy and like pine vibes, you know? And it's going to look really, really nice. So we're just going to kind of tap that in there. Do you guys see how that looks? That looks so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do that over here and just add a little bit more. Look how beautiful that is looking. So we're basically done. I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara and some lashes and I'll be right back. So I am back. I ended up putting the Rawbeautykristi and Pure Cosmetics lashes. I had to use Rawbeautykristi for this, of course. And for my lower lash line, I ended up using this Rawbeautykristi and Colourpop. This is one of their gel liners in Spare Thyme. And it just looks really, really pretty under the eyes, like on the waterline. It just looks so stunning. So now for my lips, I am going in with the Luxe Gloss. This is the Colourpop one in Glazier. This is from the Rawbeautykristi collection. So we're going to go ahead and apply some of this on the lips. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. As for the rules for the giveaway, to win this Rawbeautykristi and Colourpop palette, this is at their Forest site. The only rules are going to be, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment down below your IG name, and make sure for bonus, if you guys are following me on Instagram, that's gonna give you guys a higher chance to win this palette. So make sure you guys are following me. I'm going to be checking, and this giveaway is going to end in 48 hours. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys tell me in the comments below what you guys think of this look. Let me know. I am so happy with this palette. It's just so good. Like, you can create anything. It's such a simple look. Thank you guys so much again. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, make sure you guys are following me there. I'm posting there. I post a lot, way more on Instagram than TikTok. I'm still getting the hang of TikTok, you know. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come out here in the sun so you guys can see how beautiful the shades look, and like it just looks so beautiful in the sun. Like look at that gold, you guys. Like look at that. It just looks so pretty. And just in case you guys are wondering if you guys want to grab this, if you guys, you know, are looking forward to it, like this palette just really does give you the nice shimmers and the matte Colourpop, and it's affordable. It is an affordable palette. That is the crazy part. It is so good, and I'm telling you guys, this is not sponsored. It's not sponsored by Colourpop. I'm just saying because it is so beautiful, and oh my god, you guys, I just need to tell you guys that. I just need to show you guys how it looks in the sun because it is stunning. And it's crazy because the videos and the lighting of like the lighting, the glam room lighting, whatever, that is not gonna show you how stunning these like palettes are. Like that never does justice. The sun does justice. The lighting just plays us, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys really quick how it looks on the sun, just in case you guys were wondering. So yeah, and yeah, I think this is the end of the video already, and yeah, bye.